Hi there, konnichiwa, welcome to Toy Princess. Today we have this awesome Play-Doh Star Wars can head set. That's right, we have Play-Doh, we have Star Wars, and it's a play set. This is so cool. Oh yeah, hey Luke, how's it going? Let's have a quick look at the box. As you can see, it comes with Luke Skywalker and R2-D2 as the can heads. And we've got Luke's little sand cruiser thingy that makes lots of different things. And look, the cutter is in the shape of a lightsaber. That's so cool. Let's open it up so we can play with this Star Wars Play-Doh set. And always remember, may the Force be with you. So with this little can heads Play-Doh set, can heads? There, can heads. With the can head Star Wars Play-Doh set, we get 2 tubs of Play-Doh, and both of them say Play-Doh Star Wars on them. And this one is Luke Skywalker. Hey. Luke doesn't smile very much. He's usually quite serious, so I don't know about that face. And R2-D2. So let's check out the colors. So this one is blue, obviously. Blue. And orange. There we go. And this is our Sand Cruiser, I think they're called. I can't remember. So here's the Sand Cruiser, and it's got lots of molds on it. We have a ray gun, another gun over here, and that could be something. Binoculars, maybe? Some binoculars, maybe? Something like that. The gun, another gun. Oh, look! Here's 3PO. And what are these guys called? They sell 3PO and R2 to Luke and his uncle. Not sand people. I forget. Let me know if you remember. I'll just look it up. I don't know. Haven't watched them in a while. Maybe I'll watch them. So that guy. So you can even make molds of these. That's pretty cool. And on the sides here of the cruiser, you can put the lightsaber cutter, which is so cool. Like that. And you can make something else maybe to put on this side. I don't know. Now, we should have an extruder. Oh, here it is. So it's also the jet engine for the cruiser. Put it on. And it's the extruder as well. It doesn't want to work though. Oh, there. So that'll be cool. Give that a go. Oh, it's a sand cruiser. It doesn't make a nyong sound, does it? Anyway, let's make some Play-Doh molds. So first, we'll use the extruder. There's nothing really you need hair for with this. I mean, R2 and 3PO don't have hair. Luke has hair, but he's a can head, so you don't really need it. But it's always fun. So I'm going to use the blue. Okay, blue's out. I had to stop recording and pull it out. That took me like 5 minutes. It was really stuck in there. Usually they just bloop, 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 pop out. But nope. Not today. So get my Play-Doh. It's probably easier If you remove the extruder, put your Play-Doh in. I must say, I'm not the best person with Play-Doh. I don't have the Play-Doh skills, but who cares? It's so much fun. And push. Isn't that cool? I love extruders. And Play-Doh comes up with so many different types. With the Jake and the Pirate set, you could use like a different thing and get different ones. This one you get like tentacles or hair or whatever you want to call it. We'll just knot that into like a little rope type thing for some reason. There, doesn't that look great? Put it through one more time because I like using the extruder. Close up. Is that close enough for you? Okay, so we did our extruder. Now let's use the sand cruiser. Use some of the molds in that. So first, let's flip it over and do 3PO and the little thing. Wish I could remember its name. So 3PO will use the orange because he's like gold color anyway. Let's see if I can get this out. Nope. I don't know why they're stuck in there. I hate it when it comes out like this. See what I mean? It's just stuck in there. Maybe because it's got this like triangle thing on the bottom, it doesn't want to come out like they usually do. I don't know. Anyone else have this problem? Is there a better way than just getting it out like this? It gets it all stuck in your fingernails. Ew. Surely a better way. Oh, I can use this. Kind of like eating ice cream now. Okay, we have our orange. Get a little bit. Probably too much, half that. And just put it on, squish it all in. Pull it out. And oh, there's 3PO. He looks so cool. Just neaten him up a little bit. There's our 3PO, all cleaned up. What a perfect little mold. And you can add like colors with his eyes or something if you want. I might do that later. Now I'm going to do the little munchkin. No, they're not munchkins. Are from Wizard of Oz. I don't know. What are they called? It's driving me insane. Go to blue. This little guy, blue. And here he is. Perfect mold. So this mold works really well. Just kind of neaten him up a little bit. But there you go. And again, you can do different colors, details and stuff if you want. I'm gonna make one more of these guys in the orange. Oh, first, get rid of that bit of blue. And there you go, another perfect mold. Neaten him up a little bit using the lightsaber cutter. Ta-da! Little guy. So now we have two little guys. One orange and one blue. And 3PO. Next, we need some weapons. So let's make this gun. And I'll do orange. Orange, yeah. You can do each, one of each. Okay. So one orange. And blue. Have to be careful not to cut and squash the detail. I do that quite often. So as I've said, I'm not very good with Play-Doh. I still like using it though because it's so much fun. So we have our two guns. Let's do the smaller one here. There we go. So we've done our guns. We've done the molds on the bottom. And what else do we have? Oh, the monocular things. Let's do those in orange. Maybe just enough Play-Doh. Uh-oh. Hopefully I can get it out. I'm gonna lose the detail though. Oh no, there we go. Bit squashed, but oh good. And I just thought of an idea to use the extruder for. I'm going to make Chewbacca. So we're going to need lots of hair. There we go. Cut it off. Now we have to assemble our Chewbacca. So it's not going to be anything amazing. I'll just do like a tall type thing, which hopefully will stand up, covered in hair. This is our Chewie. Does he need two legs? It kind of looks like Gumby right now. Nope, he doesn't have two legs. He can have two legs joined together like that. There we go. Arms. Does he really need arms? Probably. Okay. Half his legs can be his arms. He's a bit top heavy right now, so let's take off his head. Now let's start putting his hair on. There. That is my Play-Doh Chewy. Wait, give him a gun. Now he's perfect! Sorry, I can never do Chewy's noise. That looks pretty good, right? Kind of. Anyway, that's Play-Doh Chewy. Let's put everything else together. Let's organize our scene so then we can, like, play with the Play-Doh. I'll just put this extra. Oh no, some of the blue is in the orange. I don't like mixing colors. Put our lid back on. Here we go. Luke. Ah! Just run over Chewy. R2. R2 doesn't really need a gun. So here you go, Luke. Here's a gun. Stuck to your head. R2 can have one anyway. These little guys. Binoculars. And 3PO. There. So that's everything that can be made with this set. So it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoy playing with the Star Wars Can Heads Play-Doh set with me, where we can make 3PO, kind of make Chewie, these little guys. Lots of different molds in this. So it's a really great set. Join me again soon for more Toy Princess. Bye!